how to make fashion website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it, I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button Get Started and choose what type of website do you want to create. What's your site about? So we need the fashion website, so just type fashion. Here we can have fashion and style, fashion designers and collections, and some other options, but I'm gonna just name it the fashion and click next. What do you want to do with your website? You can sell services, sell online courses, promote a physical business, promote an event or project, publish a blog or other media, build community, promote a physical business. So guys, here you need to choose whatever you want, whatever you really need, what the purposes of your website. And here, how would you like to build in your website? You can build it by browsing templates, or you can build it with AI. To be honest guys, I'm not a big fan of AI, and I really like to choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates, so that's why I picked this one, browse templates. And here guys, you need to choose the best template for you and for your business. If you don't like any of those, don't worry, you can pick random and edit it later to do the exact website you want. For example, I think this one is really nice, this template, and just for an example I'm gonna choose this one, but I want to change color presets right here because I don't like this fully black website. I think this is boring, especially for a fashion website, in my opinion. I think at least as this one or even this one. I'm gonna choose this one, but later I will show you how to edit the colors more accurate. Now I'm gonna start with this design. While everything loads, let me tell you that squarespace.com is the best option to create your website, because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use a website to create your own website. That's why I highly recommend you to try squarespace.com. And let's continue. Let's create the site name. For example, I'm gonna name it fashion is my passion. Just for an example. Here we can see some tips how to use this website, but we don't need them. And now we can edit this website, but first of all you need to check this out. Pages right here. We have blog, about, and contact page. We can delete some of them, we can add a new one. Also, I told you that we can change the colors later, and now we need to reload, and I'm gonna show you site styles. You can change themes, fonts, colors, buttons and forms. For example, colors. For example, I want to choose this color, the main color here. This is like something like gray. No. This one, yes. I want to do it more brighter, maybe. Okay, it doesn't matter. I think you should do it by yourself. I showed you how to do it. Let's move forward. By the way, this color is nice, but we need to move forward. We need to first of all, we need to save. And also, guys, here in this menu you can manage some stuff about your website. You can manage products and services, invoicing, content, donation, scheduling. Also, this one is very interesting, analytics. Here we can see some data about your website, for example, traffic, amount of visits, bounce rate, unique visitors, page views, even geography of your visitors. This page right here is a really important one. I think every site owner should use this essential one, in my opinion. So let's edit it. We need to click this button, edit, and now you're able to edit almost everything here. For example, first of all, you can see how this page is divided into several sections. For example, this is header section, and this is next section, next, and here's footer section. You can easily remove any of those, for just like this, click remove. You can edit this section. You can edit any sections. You can add new section here. Just click add. You can add intro, contact, about, people, sections, whatever. You can add a blank section. You can add a contact, any content. Just click add plug. You can add text, button, image, video, audio, form, whatever you want. For example, let's add text first of all, and let's add an image. First of all, let's type, you can type whatever you want. Fashion. Fashion. It's about us. I don't know. You can do it bigger. You can edit this text. Can background colors, for example, now like this. And of course, we need to add an image. Click this button. You can upload it from your computer or even from your mobile device, or you can use free images right here. For example, this one. Also, you can replace this background image easily. Just click edit section, background, replace. You can move it, change size. You can do whatever you want. The site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you to try this out. Check this out. Try to create your own website here. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, is very clear to any user. And we need to save changes here. And when you're done editing your website, you need to upload it, you need to publish it so anyone can see it. To do it, you need to upgrade your account, you need to subscribe. Here you can select the plan. Simple plans, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. All plans comes with overtwinning 24/7 customer support. So you can choose personal, business, basic, advanced. I recommend you to choose basic or advanced if you are planning to sell something on your website. But most popular one is business, only $23 per month. Choose whatever you want, whatever you need. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. And thank you for watching. See you soon.